share this video. This is the cry of Eke Hit's wife.
Can you message that just this morning? Today is 19th. 19th of February 2026. Just this morning. I can never go to catch photo wife. Don't do to catch again. And I'll be a message. What are you people searching? Can you not search? Can what you can do to for you to take anything? Okay, what is happening? In the can investigation on the case for over 1 year now? Who never the evidence you know? So can you know the truth? Okija dina. So can you know? Konya dina no Okija wa can you know? And you know the enemy that and people put that message all the case. They are all lies. Against the woman. You know him, and I go check up. You know him. But just because you gave him an invitation and a girl, that is why you're suffering him like this. I don't know what man I'm going to question. Or 1 year, what am I going to give? Or I'm going to go. Or I'm going to give. Just being young, give you another or Wednesday. And he did not call because he's scared of you. He's scared of you. For you giving him such invitation, he's scared. He's scared of you. Eh? Okay, over Zega Kaba. You want to wait people for Sanga Jimmy and what for Baggy and give you the buy. He said, I have one who good. He said, the one who good. And I want to watch you for 1 year now. And they take court. I'm going to any demand my brother to lawyer. I'm follow you for every court. Now put your family and get that up. But I thought it's not God that will do. Second, will be a better. I'm saying it. Go on, no kids are going to want to just take it. I can't want to get this up when they eat. Now we have to eat. You can't go, we can't go. I'm going to go to the year. I'm going to go to the year.
Okay, this is so touching. I gotta go. Unless no one will be mad. This woman will be. I am not know. But let us leave sentiment and the emotions aside. Who says that the only crime age which they can hit will no be mad? And when you do no mad, let us start by saying no makano eke hit mad. You see some of these things. Eh? You see some of these things. Oh, na EFCC Sholeda Lolo Noboda. I am the first suspect in the high arrest. Because those people other day say so. Nahana Alundenu. Oh, na Ministry of Women Affairs Sholeda Lolo Noboda. They will not waste time. EJ Pulu Eke Hit for abuse of woman. For coming on Facebook to say that no that woman wanye shore da abapuna obu na haya lagi to equal for some of these things is what we are talking about. Now you are in or then when I cautioned Eke Hit omenu one video mbo na bia newi ezu go wonu na agbaluvu na man na oye nwere ife a na-ekwu mana uchetakwa na mụ na ya nwanne na nnewi na Okija awụ na nwanne nka but ama m ife njiwe na caution ya them because na ama na there is no sane society that will tolerate what Eke Hit and Akwafa na-eme. This man na-apụta openly na confess to abetting crime. Ha na-apụta openly na confess to aiding and abetting crime. Yes, ha na-apụta openly na confess na fa na-eme ife government ji achụgharị ndị mmadụ ka ala ọkụ ha up. Who says it is all about Kerifo obtaining money by false pretense? OBT. Kerifo, is it not a crime? Is it not a crime? Ịgba akwụna or a legal work ka ọ buy or a legal work ka ọ buy ka na ajụjụ ha nwa na-apụtakwu na azọpọtụ ịgwọrụ ụmụazị ndị ọcha na-agbarụ Krismas. Agwara m ụnụ na n'ụbọchị ikpeazụ a na alụ na awụzi omenala ụmụ ife niile awụ ife emerụ na mmadụ ya dị eme n'azụ. It is not meant to be ka ewepụta in the open. Kansụla Igbo because ana m avoid na na-eme vidio ide ekwu ụfọdụ ife n'oyiwo. Enwere a lot of things people na-eme in secret anyị wepụtara mana generation ebe anyị nọzi kịta awụ generation ebe onwerozi ife zoro ezo ife niile zoro ezo a na-emezi ihe na-emepụta ya n'ife na-emezi ya ọ na-apụta ife ịvụ na ịtụ akwụkwọ mma na bifo apụta na-atụ ya n'azụ onwe ya ekwe ka dị aka nne mari nọ na-eme ife dị otu a na-emezi okwu na ndị dibịa na brag site ịda gwọrọ ha ọgwụ sefụ ka ha wee na-eme dete. Ịghọtago? There are a lot of things. Go through the videos of your husband Eke Hit. Ilu ebe ahụ efu na Eke Hit ji ọnụ ya gbuo ebe n'ebe. Ha nwa ife mere self gọọmenti ji wee lere anya wee mmadụ na ite awa jite because a lot of ife adọrọ mma ha na-ekwu ite a na-alụ karịrị akarị. Ịghọtago? So now kedu ife wụ the advice m na-enye gị? Advice m na-enye gị owu ọkwa ifuru ka ikpe akwasị wee gaa kịta in the next 5 months or so. Akwapụtara onwe. So if ever that na-efuka your husband n'anya, you should stop wasting that money. Go and tell your husband to plead guilty. Ya pleading guilty. Oje na plea bargain with government. Oje na plea bargain with government. Enwere ike nyekwa 11 months enye na akwa, which if you calculate it, it should be about 5 months plus. Na ọ na-eme morning and night. Ọ na-eme morning and night probably by December. Ọ pụtara onwe knowing fully well that he is not even innocent. So if in the West you take the easiest way out, which is plea bargain, because you know that your husband is not innocent. There is 1, 2, 3 from charges in area capable of his sent here to prison. And even in that, if that what they want to look at na eme ukwu na eme ukwu on our okay na ema ka I will say because of nanya Eke Hit Onye Okija or spare Eke Hit akwo Onye Okija. Onye say Jesus or Onye Okija. You gotta go Onye Okija. But the fact is that if you don't job, evil is evil, and if you for job, it boy you for job. You gotta go if you for job, it boy you for job. Mgbe Eke Hit kwuru na ewu godu nwaanyị na-echọrọ ịgba akpọ achawo na ya gbọrọ ọgwụ ela imegide ife ikwu afọ ọwụfụ ọwụrụ nwa ya ya do happy about it. Ọwụrụ nwa nke ya do happy about it. Ya do happy about it. Ha do open na-ekwu ifefa na alụfa dị so now using their words now against them. Also no content creator call. How can you be a content creator man in amassing them mad ego? In amassing them mad millions of naira men all in the name of name a content creator. Is that not somebody confirmed to the fact that now he's obtaining money by false pretense? You are obtaining money by false pretense of being a native doctor, but you are a content creator. What I do? So all these things, if you are a man, you don't need to come and start claiming the innocent also. If you advise your husband to accept for a plea bargain or accept for a plea bargain and cut all these stress short, then just have what pota. You go family will share this video. I remember engaging him, cautioning them then. I cautioned a lot of them then. Even so many videos of it in my page. Other guys are not going, but today, play we go. There was even a time one day, the government gave belief against Ifa Haneme, and that day is today. Share this video.